viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is what is the workbook window. This area is called the workbook window. These boxes are called cells. What we have selected, it is called current cell. These grid lines are temporary. These don't appear in print. When we click on a cell, this cell name is shown in the name box. This name is made up of alphabetic and numeric. For example, M 10th, E 7th, C for E 8, like that. In Microsoft Excel, we have 256 columns and we have 65,536 rows in one sheet. I have told you that we call it alpha columns and it numeric rows. And from here we can zoom in and zoom out the workbook window. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.